Hello everyone! Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more privacy and security tech comparisons. Today we're comparing three privacy-focused operating systems, Tails OS, Qubes OS, and Whonix, to decide which one is best for privacy and security in 2026. Let's break it down. 1. What they are. Tails OS, a live-only privacy OS that runs from USB or CD and leaves no trace on your computer. Qubes OS, a security-oriented OS that isolates everything in secure compartments, virtual machines. Whonix, a security distro built on Tor, designed to always route traffic anonymously and safely. 2. Privacy and anonymity. Tails routes all connections through Tor by default and is designed to avoid leaving any data behind, perfect for total anonymity. Whonix also forces all internet traffic through Tor, but runs in virtual machines, offering stronger separation between networking and applications. Qubes, not Tor only, but isolates apps in compartments, reducing risk if one part of your system is compromised. Winner for anonymity, Whonix, strong Tor isolation. Runner-up, Tails, easy Tor-only environment. 3. Security and isolation. Qubes OS uses VM isolation. Each app runs in its own secure container. A breach in one compartment doesn't affect others. Whonix runs 2 VMs, one for networking and one for apps, keeping Tor isolated from applications. Tails, live-only environment but no VM separation. All apps run together. Winner for security, Qubes OS. 4. Ease of use. Tails, very easy to use. Boot from USB and everything runs, no installation needed. Whonix, moderate learning curve. You need a host OS and virtual machines. Qubes, steep learning curve. Requires understanding of virtual machines and security domains. Winner for ease of use, Tails. 5. Practical daily use. Tails, best for temporary secure sessions, journalists, activists, privacy emergencies. Whonix, best for secure Tor-focused workflows on a regular Linux host. Qubes OS, best for daily secure computing with compartmentalization, ideal for advanced users handling sensitive data regularly. Winner for daily privacy computing, Qubes OS. 6. Hardware requirements. Tails works on most machines, low to moderate requirements. Whonix requires a host OS and virtual machine support, needs more resources. Qubes OS requires strong hardware, lot of RAM, 8 GB recommended, and virtualization support. Winner for low-end hardware, Tails. Pro tip: your choice should match how you use your system. Need anonymous internet sessions on any PC? Tails. Want Tor privacy with VM isolation? Whonix. Want maximum compartment security for daily use? Qubes OS. Final verdict in 2026. Star, Qubes OS, best for overall security and compartmentalization. Lock, Whonix, best for Tor-focused privacy workflows. Shield, Tails, best for temporary anonymous sessions. Each OS is strong in its niche. There's no one-size-fits-all. Choose based on your privacy needs. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment Privacy OS below.